Alright guys, end of the day. I'm actually leaving right now, so it's gonna be a little wobbly. Got all my tools on me and stuff like that, but everyone's still working. I just doing 8 hours today. I have something to do after work, but I wanted to give you guys a little update as I'm leaving. So I went ahead and finished moving the pipe over from yesterday. This isn't the pipe because I'm walking the opposite direction, but I finished moving the pipe over like a foot from yesterday that I was showing you. And then I went ahead and worked on the corner lights, setting the boxes for each of the corners. Not this one because it has concrete. What else did I do? Moved some of the rows, or there was one row that was out of line with the anchors in the ceiling, so went ahead and moved those over to the following bay so the whole row is in line. There was another thing I can't remember. Let me see here. Oh, I finished piping down the walls as far as I could, and I think that about wraps up my day. Gonna go home. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's super short, but thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. God bless. Make sure to like and subscribe. Giveaways coming up real soon, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have an awesome rest of your day. Make sure to check out the Corvette video I made last night. It was super funny, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I will see you guys later. Have an awesome rest of your day.